Look at me! I am Ryan, basketball king. Even the net loves my ball.
Awesome, Ryan! You are the #1 star in our school.
Of course. This is my house, and I am the boss. Go, Ryan! Everyone loves you today.
Get your voice ready, Chloe. Ha, my next shot will be even better.
Do you want my autograph? Please stand in line, my dear fans.
Wow, I am so handsome. I am perfect. New school. I hope the students here are friendly.
I just want to play basketball. I do not need to be famous.
Hey, new boy, can you throw the ball back, please? Here you go. Catch it and score.
Wow! That pass was like magic. Are you a wizard? What is your name?
I am Leo. I am happy to meet you guys.
He passes without looking? That is a very cool trick. Hi, Leo. I am Chloe. Your pass earlier was fantastic.
Hi, Chloe. Thank you. I just like helping my friends score.
You are very nice. Many boys here only want to show off.
Excellent job, Leo. You use your brain when you play.
Thank you, Coach. The team is always the most important thing. It is just a boring pass. Why is the coach so happy? Look at me! Points win games, not passes. Here, friend. You are open. Take the shot. Great job, Leo! You make everyone play better. Hey, Leo, stop showing off for Chloe and the coach. This is my team. I am not showing off, Ryan. I just want us to play together, like a real team.
Listen to me, new boy. I am the star. Do not steal my light.
The sun is very big, Ryan. There is enough light for both of us.
In the big game, I will show you who the real king is. Do not worry about Ryan. He is just scared to lose his crown.
I do not want enemies. A basketball team should be like a family.
Chloe is helping him? She did not even say good morning to me. I must be the hero tomorrow. I will not let him win. Oh no! Why is the basket so small today? It is Leo's fault.
Ryan, you are playing with anger. You must pass to your team.
I can win by myself, coach. I always score the most points. Ryan, if you run to the left corner, I will give you an easy ball. No thanks. I do not need a baby to hold my hand.
For the big game tomorrow, Leo is our new team leader.
Are you crazy, coach? I am the captain. I am the best.
You are a good player, Ryan, but Leo is a good friend. He trusts his team.
I work so hard. Why does nobody love me now? Leo! Leo! Everyone is talking about him. It is so annoying. I must practice. Tonight is very important for our school.
You are awake early. Are you nervous to lose tonight?
Ryan, if we play together, we will win easily.
There is no we. Tonight, the crowd will shout only my name.
Ryan, stop acting like a child. Play for the team, please.
Watch me, Chloe. After tonight, you will wear a t-shirt with my face on it.
Eagles! Eagles! Let's go, Ryan! Let's go, Leo! Eagles! Ryan, catch! Nobody is in front of you! Oh my God! Stupid ball! I must score more! Why am I missing? I am the superstar! Ryan is playing a selfish game. We are losing because he will not pass. I will help you, Ryan. Run to the basket. Give me the ball. Get out of my way. Ah! Ouch. My ankle. My ankle. Ryan, why did you do that? I did not mean to. It was an accident. Coach, tie my shoe tight. I must play. I cannot leave my friends. We need you, Leo, but be careful. We will help you run. I ruined everything. Nobody is clapping for me now. Do not be sad, Ryan. The game is not finished. I still believe in you, Captain.
I was too selfish, Leo. I was jealous because you are better than me. I am sorry for hurting you.
You are brothers now. We have 9 seconds left. We need 2 points. Go out there and show them how Eagles fly.
Let's do this, Ryan. Together! One team, one dream. Go, Leo! Go, Ryan! I will not be selfish again. I promise. Leo! In the corner. It is your turn.
For the Eagles! Fly high!
You two are the best golden duo.
Leo did not steal my light. He turned on the bright sun for all of us.
Hello, kids. Do you want to learn how to pass like my best friend Leo? Come here.
You are a real hero, Ryan. It takes a big heart to say, I am sorry.
Winning is nice, but true glory is friendship.
Thank you for watching our story. Please like and subscribe. Share the video with your friends.
See you in the next game.
Look, guys, we have a spy. Nice stick. Is that for baseball or for fighting bears? It is a magic bat.
Hey! You want to join the team?
We need a special player. Congratulations! You are the official ball boy. Go fetch! At least I am on the team. Hurry up, ball boy! Take that! Strike 3! Ouch. I think my arm is falling off. Red hands, good hands. Just a little pain. Okay, old ball. We will play again tomorrow. I am so tired. And hungry. Mostly hungry.
Oh, Leo. Did you fight a bear or a baseball?
Just a baseball, Mom. But it was a very fast baseball.
I believe in you, Leo. My messy little star.
Thanks, Mom. Next time, I will hit the ball, not my hand. Go fetch, little doggy! Ha ha! Wow, a real baseball. Okay, my turn. Take this!
What in the world? Did a ghost throw this? Ouch, my hand!
What? No way! That is impossible.
Hey, kid! Yes, you! Come here. Do that again.
Catch! Oops. Oh, I got it. Okay. Deep breath. I can do this. He is just lucky. Here we go. Take that, baseball! Woo!
Not bad, kid. Not bad at all.
Stupid Leo. Stupid perfect swing. I am the star. Why does everyone love him? It makes me sick. Time for some cold water. I am so thirsty. Stop right there, superstar. The dugout is full. Max? You are the only one here. Are there ghosts in there? Whatever. Just don't touch my bag. Thanks, Max. You are the best doorman ever.
Break is almost over.
Watch this. Fastball time. Uh-oh, that is very far.
I got it! I got it! No, me! Ouch! Where is the ball?
Thank you for the gift, pitcher.
No, no! Why is this happening? I am the star! I am the best! Take this! Whoa! Timeout! Umpire! Timeout, please! Hey! Look at me! Bring it in, guys!
We are losing, Leo. My mom is watching. This is so bad.
Take a deep breath. It's just a game. We play together, we win together. Smile!
You are right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go team!
They are laughing? Why are they laughing? I am doing all the hard work. Hey, Max. Tough inning, huh? Go away, Leo. I am busy.
We are a team, Max. Don't touch me!
Oh no! Not that way!
Oh boy, I am in big trouble now.
Great throw to the moon, Max!
Please don't yell at me. Okay,